Well, good morning and happy Saturday, guys. Welcome back to part two of the house building series, if you will. Last time I took you guys down there to show you, the permit wasn't even done yet. We just wrapped up build paperwork, but since then the permit's done. They broke ground, there's a footing, maybe some foundation. So today we'll go down there. I'll show you kind of through the house where the footing is. Show you where my little garage studio is going to be and living room, stuff like that. And then we'll roll over to the model. I'll show you a lot of the inside design features we picked as well, and fixtures and stuff. Maybe see Beth, our agent. She'll be down there, I think, today. And yeah, show you the streets. Should be a fun little part two. This is pretty exciting. Yeah, building a house from scratch, man. It's a lot of paperwork. I mean, I'm not actually doing it, you know what I mean? But you know, the whole process it's a lot of work. The cool thing is though, building a house from scratch is that when it's a little further along, like framed and plumbed and electrical done, I can go in and film and take pictures of every room and see where all of the like J boxes are, all the tie-ins for gas and water, etc. So I know where to tie into later on for any kind of project, which is pretty neat. Yeah, and then once these start getting, you know, number 3, 4, etc., it'll get a lot more exciting. I think by the next one, house will be probably framed. At least the downstairs will be framed. So that'll be fun. All right, we'll take the C8 today, do a little cold start, and head on down. Sound good? Cool.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.
All right, let's go check out the little model real quick. It's right when you come in, and then we'll swing on over to the property. Sound good? Hopefully Beth's there. We'll find out here in a second. All right, here's the model. Beth is not here. So we'll go to the property, then we'll come back. She might be showing someone a house. What's cool is that we're phase 6. We're the last of the build after like 4 years. So we're way in the back by the tree line, which is pretty cool. You can see all the sand everywhere, all the seashells. And we're about in a straight line, about 4 miles from the ocean. Awesome. So yeah, they've been working since we've been here last. All right, let's go check it out. So I think last time I was here, this was all dirt, right? That video? Yeah, it wasn't even graded yet. We got porta potty now. I don't think that's permanent. Cool. This is gonna be the garage right here. This is cool. So it's 20 by 20 by 10 with a little notch in it. That's gonna be a powder room inside the house. So we'll pretend we're doing a video here. I think I'm gonna set up probably right here will be my new desk setup with cars behind me. It's funny out in the open how 20 by 20 seems smaller, but no, it is 20 by 20, which is pretty neat. Or, I'm sorry, it's almost 22 by 22 with this little notch in it. But I'm just excited to get 2 cars in a garage, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to think, where the hell is the front door gonna be? Over there. This will be raised, this will all be a slab. So front door about right there, comes into a hallway. Boom, right here. This will be a like parlor area right here. It's so weird sitting inside the footprint of a house. It's like a little parlor room right here, walk in the hallway, powder room right here. And then all this back wall is kitchen back there. Yeah, and then right like where I'm standing will be a staircase that goes kind of up, up, and up, and then come back here. This will be a main living space right here, and then we got a huge, I say huge relatively, but covered patio. It's kind of an extension of the house, if you will. So it'll be totally enclosed, like a sunroom, if that makes sense. And that door will be around right here somewhere. It's pretty neat to be standing in my house. It's pretty surreal, but it's pretty cool. So yeah, here's the garage. And then my in-laws decided they offer these houses with what do you call it, in-law suites. The last time my in-laws didn't want it, but now they kind of want it again, so I'm assuming we'd probably add one on back here somewhere and tie it into the porch or something. It'd be an odd footprint, but very doable. And then yeah, here's the back of the property, and this will all be lake back in there. They still got to dredge it. I don't know if you can see the lake way over there, but it's going to come all the way out here to where the property ends and all the way to the tree line to be lake, so I can just drive golf balls at night. That'll be fun. That's pretty cool. I need a thumbnail. And then yeah, this will be my driveway, and we skewed the house on the property to the right for future expansion of the garage on this side if need be. And also my brother, he's got a huge RV, and when he visits, he wants a place to put it next to the house. So that'll work great. That way we can bring cars to the side of the house or expand on the garage, or just more space to get things through to the backyard, if that makes sense. So yeah, pretty exciting stuff, guys. But it's neat to see it coming together, you know. Oh, we kind of got like where the front porch will be too. That's cool. Okay, okay. And there she is, guys. It's funny, it's a 2,600 square foot, but just seeing just the bottom done, it looks really tiny. It's so interesting. But we're coming from 1,600 square feet, so it's gonna be another 1,000 square feet. And then once the garage is done, it'll be like a living space on mine is now. Plus the back porch, add all together, it's like almost 3,100 square feet of home. But to actually add the garage, it has to be climate controlled and set up for living space, but you know what I mean. And then, I wonder if I got neighbors yet. I don't know. Actually, I guess I do. All those little things are sold. But since we're here on an abandoned road, I set up my phone way down there, do the little launch and the new exhaust. Not really done one yet, and I won't have much chances to do this once the street's done. You know what I mean? Pretty hot out here. I wasn't expecting it to lose the rear end. I guess there's some dirt and sand on the pavement, but that was pretty gratifying. All right, Beth's back. Let's see if she wants to be on camera. Some people don't. She's at work right now. I won't bother her, you know what I mean? All right, so Beth, we're gonna bother her real quick. Hi, Beth. This is my agent, and she'll be selling my house as well. I did not go over the curb today, so if you watch this video, I stayed in my car the whole time, okay?
Absolutely, thank you.
You're welcome for that. I know you yelled at me last time. So, this would be the office or spare room, right? Or like a flex room. Yeah. And all have 10-foot ceilings, which is awesome. Say, see you later, Beth. Oh, and she works for Howard Hanna, correct?
Yes, Howard Hanna.
Beth Tanner. Look her up if you need a house in North Carolina or Chesapeake or anywhere.
Or Virginia, North Carolina. 20 years. 20 years.
She's awesome. She's great. I'm not just saying that. And the cool thing about this builder, all the downstairs are 10 feet. Very open, makes the house feel a lot bigger. They all come with granite. This is a quartz. We did go with the granite. It's like a white or lighter granite. Our floors are a little darker than this. This is the optional in-law suite, which I really wanted my in-laws to get, but at the last minute, they decided not to. You get a full bath, you get a closet. It's a big space, probably 300 square feet. A little kitchen area. And a washer dryer, if you want, which is pretty crazy for an in-law suite. And here you can kind of see how big the backyards are. But ours will have a lake at the end. And this is the leather granite we did get upstairs in our master, which is really cool. It's like a matte finished granite with really unique texture. And this is a little porch thing I was talking about. So it kind of adds square footage to the home, which is pretty neat. Ours won't be notched like this. Ours will be an actual rectangle, but nonetheless pretty cool. These are tall 10-foot ceilings too, which is pretty neat. kitchen in these homes, the Stephen Alexander's, is awesome. We got black fixture those. We will not have these, but these are pretty freaking neat. This model unfortunately had one of the smaller garages at like 19 by 20 with a very low ceiling. So if we got this model, I would have been kind of bummed out. So ours will be about 2 foot by 2 foot more with about another 1.5 foot in height. I believe our balusters will look very similar to this. We got carpeted stairs, especially with the little ones for a little bit. I won't do hardwood for a while. Second laundry room if you got this model. Here's a little loft area slash media room, which is pretty cool. Again, this is not the model we got, but very similar as far as paint schemes and colors. We did get a Jack and Jill bath though, similar to this. One tub in the middle, obviously you know what Jack and Jill is, with 2 separate toilets. Another kid bedroom. Oh, this AC works great. It's freezing in here, feels great. Big old landing area. These are 12-foot ceilings in here, which would be great for our electricity bill. 2 large walk-ins, but our model we got just has 1 large closet, which is like 9 by 10, which is gonna be amazing considering what we're coming from. And probably the biggest selling points for this builder for us was the shower. Sounds weird, but they all come standard with 2 shower heads. I was like, I am sold. Wrap it up, I'll take it. So there you go, there's the model. A lot of the same features or fixtures will bleed over into what we got. So, but in the future doing videos, when I go back on site, I do have to have Beth with me so I don't get in trouble, especially as it comes out of the ground more, you know, so. Cool. That's all I got for today, boys and girls. I'll see you guys, actually tomorrow I'm doing the filter, the DCT filter on the C8s already. So I will see you guys then. So take care, mark out.